Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Pocket Guard app in your device. Pocket Guard app is an app that allows you to manage your budget through your mobile. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Pocket Guard. There you can see Pocket Guard Budget Tracker. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Pocket Guard app and start tracking your budget. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.